Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to compress or shrink PDF file size. And to do this, open any browser and in search type in I love PDF and you will find this first link, ilovepdf.com. Just click into this and here you will see this compress PDF reduce file size when optimizing for maximum PDF quality. Click in there, click here on select PDF file and select any PDF file. So I select this file, I open this file. Here on the right hand side at the very bottom you will see button compress PDF. Just click in there and you will be able to compress and shrink your PDF file and then download it here. My file which I selected is already very small and it says here that this file cannot be compressed anymore without any quality loss, cause my file is already very small, guys. But in general, if you have a huge file, then this would be the way how you can compress it and make its size much smaller. So yes guys, if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.